Despite rules indicating that Manipur Legislative Assembly session can be convened thrice a year, there are several instances where it was convened only twice a year. This year too, the session was held only twice, to which difference of opinions were raised in between opposition and ruling parties. We have an exclusive from SKTV News Chief Reporter Khetrimayum Premchand.
The first Legislative Assembly was conducted in 1952 when India got independence in 1947. Convening of State Legislative Assembly election has been clearly indicated in Article 174 of Indian Constitution. It also clearly mentioned that the governor has the authority to summon or dissolve the assembly. Also, Article 208 clearly states that House of Legislature can create Assembly's proceedings, including the manner in which the sessions are conducted. Senior Advocate Khaidam Mani, speaking to SKTV News, stated that
Assembly amana state amagi constitution gi provision haibadi 174 se asi kahendana aduda hairi badu illaga haibani magi assembly da chanagadaba its procedure and the conduct of its business. I know same ngami same dabani haiba. That means constitution assembly ko governor ngami tang haira maga kalmain ko gani kalmain conduct gani adege assembly ki proceeding da call attention na itne karino question hour itne karino parmanbu short duration na itne karino haibani singba mayam sigi tamta mai magi lamlam ge assembly na mama ge rule semja ngami adugi ngambdugi matung ina Manipur ge su rules of procedure and the conduct of business in Manipur Legislative Assembly. I dana matam ge musang chum chamuktana nan semdok semdoga la kriyaba.
Rules of procedure and conduct of business was formed for Manipur Legislative Assembly. Rule number 17, Clause A of Manipur Legislative Assembly mentioned that assembly session can be convened 3 times in a year.
Constitution ki Article 174 do madu suondana madu manungda every calendar year sahi mada calendar year malayipse the assembly shall have not less than 3 sessions curriculum, namely the budget session February March Pamadu, autumn session July August Pamadu, and the winter session November December Pamadaba. I say with minimum 50 sitting days. Yamdarabada Yankani degi tadana session ahum tegi tadana pamo haibuga up to date 17A sa rule ni rule si constitution da periba adu thabuk on thok na begi tamukta adagi matungina ahum pham da bayade ahum tegi tadana hairabani na rule da hairi besa act to gi or constitution to gi part and parcel oireba.
According to Rule number 17, Clause A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business for the Manipur Legislative Assembly, the Assembly should ideally meet at least 3 times a year. However, report from Law and Legislative Affairs Department of Manipur government indicated that there have been several years such as 2003, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2016 where sessions were only convened twice. But during BJP's tenure, sessions were held twice a year from 2017 to 2020. Further, due to COVID pandemic and the ongoing conflict that began in May 2023, assembly sessions could not be convened twice a year. Given the current situation, where the people of Manipur are facing significant challenges due to the ongoing violence and instability, the question rises whether it is not appropriate to convene the assembly to address people's grievances and discuss the way forward.
The importance of assembly sessions is crucial. All the issues will be resolved and the formulations of policies and planning for the welfare of the people will primarily occur through Legislative Assembly. So, in a state like Manipur, which is facing numerous challenges, it may be necessary to convene more sessions in a year for the welfare of the people. This is Khetrimayum Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.